Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Crab mentality, be like. They focus on encouraging positive behavior rather than criticizing people. 1. If I cannot reach the top, nobody can. Jason, a reminder that supporting others is better than holding them back. Wait, you're succeeding. Let me catch up. Reason, healthy competition is more positive than jealousy. 3. Cheer for others instead of comparing. Reason, encouragement helps everyone grow. 4. Your success doesn't reduce mine. Reason, there is room for everyone to succeed. 5. Let's climb together. Reason, teamwork often leads to better results. 6. Celebrate, don't complicate. Reason, be happy when others achieve their goals. 7. Their victory can inspire me. Reason, success stories can motivate us to improve. 8. Less envy, more learning. Reason, learn from successful people instead of comparing yourself. 9. Helping someone climb doesn't lower your position. Reason, kindness benefits everyone. 10. Good vibes only. Reason, positivity creates a stronger friendship. 11. Don't pull people down, lift them up. Reason, encouragement builds confidence. 12. Success isn't a limited supply. Reason, one person's achievement doesn't prevent yours. 13. Applause is free. Reason, congratulating others costs nothing. 14. Your journey is different from mine. Reason, everyone has their own path and timeline. 15. Focus on improving yourself. Reason, personal growth is more rewarding than comparison. 16. Share tips, not negativity. Reason, helpful advice benefits everyone. 17. The higher we all climb, the better the view. Reason, communities grow stronger when people support each other. 18. Kindness spreads faster than jealousy. Reason, positive actions inspire more positivity. 19. Be someone's biggest fan today. Reason, encouragement can make a real difference. 20. Real winners celebrate others' success. Reason, confidence grow after we appreciate others' success well as our own. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.